that's an E minor, so that's kind of like a happy place. Well, I try to stay away from that as much as possible, but it's become kind of my signature sound. So like stuff like this, you hear my beats like a lot like. My whole thing is kind of try to be an avant-garde producer, still with a mainstream sound, like producer from space. So a lot of my sounds are very like alien-esque, futuristic, spacey, like a lot of synthesizers and shit like that. The perfect hood, like the ungentrified hood, where like there's still low income, still like a lot of immigrants, but there's no crime. They haven't been fucked over by the white people. Yeah, we're trying to really create that environment for the outsider. Yeah, yeah, so trying to put you in an atmosphere, put you in an environment.
FürDaRepublick.